I just wanted to give you one real quick tech tip on how to make this easy. You doing? What's up guys, it's Josh. We're back here at the Parker Performance YouTube channel. Just a real quick tech tip for anybody doing anything on the front end of your S550 Mustang, especially if you're in any northern states or if you live close to the water like we do here in Central Florida. As you can see, this car is up in the air currently. We're getting ready to do a suspension install on this vehicle. To do that, we've got to get the rotor off. As you can see here, this rotor is pretty well attached. Most of the time you can hit them with your palm and they'll come loose, or you can kick it and it'll come loose. You can see the amount of rust here. This vehicle probably lives close to the water. So here's a real quick tech tip on how to get that off without damaging your rotor or losing your mind. Get 2 sledgehammers. Place the first sledgehammer flat up against the rotor. You want to do it in between the lug studs, right? You don't want to be hitting the lug studs. You don't want to be hitting the dust cap. You don't want to be hitting the face of the rotor. You don't want to be hitting the top of the rotor. You're only going to hit right here in the flat base area. Get yourself a second sledgehammer. You can already see the movement, and there. So some of them are a little more ignorant than others. Some of them you'll have to spin it and you'll have to hit all 5 places of the face to get them to come loose. But as you saw down here on the ground, a large amount of brake dust and rust. That is going to be evident of what was keeping the rotor stuck to the wheel hub there. So just a quick tech tip. Hope this helps you guys on your installs. We'll see you soon.